MAEVING RM1 2022 on review. British-built electric motorcycle. Traditionally, the Midlands has been the hub of the British motorcycle industry, with Triumph, Norton, BSA, Royal Enfield and Velocette all having established factories in this area. And now there is a new name to add to the list, MAEVING. Based in Coventry, this startup business was formed in 2017 by Inglis-Jones and will Stirrup with the intention of creating a retro-styled British-built electric bike with swappable batteries to take on the Chinese-built competition. Now employing a 16-strong team of predominantly ex-Triumph engineers, the firm's first model, the RM1, has hit the market. Only available directly from the firm via their website and delivered to your door, MAEVING won't have any dealer network as such. However, they will be opening a few pop-up shops, the first of which will be just off London's Oxford Street. While MAEVING are British, they have linked up with some big names for the electric tech. The hub-mounted electric motor has been built by Bosch while the battery is supplied by Samsung, both of whom have been heavily involved technically supporting the project from the start, so it is a very serious project and far from a flash in the pan. Ride quality and brakes. In an urban environment, the MAEVING's low 124 kg weight, with 2 batteries, really plays into its hands. Incredibly easy to U-turn in the road with bags of turning circle, you can whip it around with virtually no effort, and it has all the agility of a bicycle. You can tell ex-Triumph employees have had a hand in its chassis dynamics, as despite its board tracker styling and skinny 19-inch wheels, the RM1 is totally stable and corners well at low speed. Engine. MAEVING make no secret of the fact their bike is aimed at urban riders, and that means range and performance are not really a priority, so this needs to be taken into the equation. Producing a maximum of just 5.8 brake horsepower, rated at 3.9 brake horsepower continuous, the MAEVING isn't fast and its top speed is just shy of 50 miles per hour in maximum power mode. Reliability and build quality. The 1920s board tracker styling certainly makes the RM1 stand out, and its look is unique in the electric bike world. Not hiding the fact it is electric with the battery and motor very much at the heart of the bike is a great design touch, and there is an overall impression that a real attention to the finer details has been paid. The brushed aluminium parts are lovely, you get braided brake lines, good quality fasteners, neat switchgear and a very high standard of paint with even the tank's logo lacquered over. Value versus rivals. At £5,990, dual battery option, £4,995 for a single battery, the RM1 is placed just above the lower end of the electric bike market, and that puts it up against the Super Soco range, which currently lead the UK's small-capacity electric bike sales charts. Although there isn't really a retro Soco model, the TC is the RM1's natural competitor and costs £2,899 with a single battery or £3,399 with a dual battery, giving it 3.6 kWh capacity and a claimed range of 78 miles. Far less stylish than the RM1, the Soco is also a lot less of a substantial feeling machine.